Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're building a small stair rail, and the way I like to build them is to put the top rail together first. This one, as you can see, has two little flat pieces on it, so we're gonna fixture them up and get them tacked together. There's lots of ways you can do this, but the way I like to do it is using CDM's angle fixture. I'll show you how easy it is. I'll use this guy. So our angle is 36.5 degrees. So we just, over here, pull this pin, rotate it around. So 36 degrees, then we want a half a degree. There, that should be 36.5. Throw our pieces in, get the corners lined up, get the there. I can go ahead and weld that up. Now my other end has this piece, and it needs to go like this, so I can either space it up or flip it around and do the other side. So we'll flip it around. So because we're going this way on it, we need to take 90 and subtract our 36.5, which gives us 53.5 degrees. So we'll just take rotate this. 51 is the next closest number. That's 51, 52, 53, 53.25, 53.5. There, that gives us 36.5 degrees this way. So now we can simply put a couple fence blocks in. Do the same as before, get our corner lined up, and clamp it all together. And there you have it.